Welcome, guys. This is part 2. Well, this would have been part 3, but I accidentally deleted the other video. That says, oh my god, emotional. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Kid friendly. Put some clothes on, bro. This is kid friendly. I don't know what no bacon on. Oh. So that's why you get these notes. Put that there. Oh. It's there. It's that. I know what they mean, bro. Know what they mean now. Let me go in the catalog right quick. Do they have these? Emotes. Do you have them? Oh, they do. Hold up. Why's all this stuff free? Oh, dang, you just said there's lots of enemies. Stop playing this. Hold up. Let me go to my Roblox thing. Let me go to my www. Roblox. No, not 7. Right there. I knew it. Fake. Don't hit me right now. I don't know. Because I saw the emotes up in there. So that's what they mean. What's in there right now? I'm looking for some emotes. Hold up. I'll put you guys back on in a minute.